Here's how to redeem a Target gift card online. To redeem a Target gift card online, you can either apply it directly inside your digital shopping cart during checkout, or you can save it to your account wallet ahead of time. To do that, open up any web browser and head over to target.com, or you can open the Target app. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on Manage Account. Now scroll down and find the option of gift cards. Go ahead and select that. Then tap on the Add Gift Card option. Now enter the gift card number over here, then enter the access number. After that, you want to tap on the Add option. Your gift card will be added over here. The entire value of the card is now safely tied to your account and will appear as payment option next time you check out. If you want to apply the gift card directly at checkout, then add the items you want to purchase. After that, head over to your cart. For that, tap on this cart icon right here. Now proceed to checkout, and in the payment section, you should be able to find Add Gift Card option. Select that option, enter your gift card details over there, such as your card number and access code, then verify the updated total. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your checkout process. In this way, you can easily redeem a gift card on Target. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.